guys, welcome back to Chemistry Study Group. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to balance complex equation like this problem we have here. Alright, and don't forget that the concept of balancing chemical equation is to make the number of atoms in the reactant side be equal to the number of atoms in the product side. So let's check. In the reactant side, so this is reactant, right? We have one ion, right? We have two sulfur, we have two oxygen. All right, so in the product side we have two ion, we have three oxygen, we have one sulfur, and we have another two oxygen here. All right, we have another two oxygen here. So if you can see this equation, right, you can see it's not balanced, so we have to balance it. Now in this case we have to start with the metal because it has the most bulky part. Deal with the most bulky part, right? So start with the metal, then we'll go to the non-metal, then we'll balance oxygen last. All right, now look at here, we have iron to be 2. Iron is 2 here. All right, so but iron is 1 here, so let's just add our 2 here, our 2 here. Don't forget, adding anything here is going to affect everything that it is here. All right, so now iron is what? 2 here, iron is 2 here, so iron is balanced. Now look at, now I told you that it's going to affect this sulfur. All right, now this sulfur is 2 and it has 2 here, so 2 times 2, sulfur is now 4 here, but sulfur is 1 here, so we are going to balance this sulfur by adding 4 here. Okay, so we add 4 here. All right, so sulfur is now 2 times 2, which is 4. Sulfur is 4 here also. So next, now we can balance our oxygen. Oxygen is 4 times 2, 8 here. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. So oxygen is 11 here. All right, but oxygen is just 2 here. So what we are going to do is to add the 11 here. 11 here, divide by 2. So 11 divided by 2 is going to be what? Let's rewrite it and do the calculation. So we have 2 iron disulfide plus 11 divided by 2 is 5.502 to give us iron 2 and 3 oxygen, right, plus 4SO2. So this is what we have. Since we have this, it is not suitable for us to use decimal, so we are going to multiply everything times 2. All right, so when we multiply this by times 2, we have what? 4. We now have 4 FeS2 plus, multiply this times 2, we have 11O2 to form, multiply this by 2, we have 2 Fe2O3, multiplies this by 2, we have 8SO2. All right, so let's now check if this equation is balanced. All right, starting with the iron. Iron is 2 times 2, iron is 4 here, iron is 4 here. All right, so iron is balanced. Let's check sulfur. Sulfur is 4 times 2, sulfur is 8 now. Okay, 4 times 2, sulfur is 8. Let's check here, sulfur is 8 here. All right, so let's check oxygen. Oxygen is 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 16 plus, oxygen is 2 times 3 here, 6. So 16 plus 6 plus 16, what do we have? 22. So we have 22 oxygen, and 11 times 2 is what? 22. So this equation is completely balanced. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more. God bless you.